Next, 8th question in exercise 12.2. Read the question. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of the square-shaped grass field of side 15 meters by means of a 5 meters long rope. See in figure. Okay, here given grass field, square-shaped grass field. Okay, length of the side, this length equal to 15 meters. Okay, this is the square shaped grass field, side of each side equal to 15 meters. Is it clear? Next, a horse is tied to a peg at one corner of the square shaped grass field. This is the horse tied to a peg. This is a peg tightened with one corner of the square shaped grass field. Okay, is it clear? Here given length of the rope is 5 meters. This is the rope length is 5 meters. 5 meters. Clear? See first question. The area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. What is the length of the rope? 5 meters. It means horse can graze up to 5 meters only. Okay, this is a 5 meters. Horse can graze up to 5 meters. Clear? See this part. So here horse can graze up to this part. Why? Because rope length is 5 meters. Okay, see this part. This is the fourth part of the triangle. This is the half of the circle, the semicircle. Circle divided into 4 parts. Each part is called quadrant. Okay, here we have to find the area of this part. Area, this area. What is the circle area? Pi r square, fourth part of the circle, by 4. Okay, area of the quadrant is pi r square by 4, or see here angle is 90 degrees. Clear? Semicircle angle is 180 degrees. Half of the semicircle is quadrant. Okay, so 180 by 2, 90 degrees. So here angle is 90 degrees. See, this is like a sector. The area bounded by 2 radii and corresponding arc. So area of the sector, area of a sector, formula is theta by 360 into pi r square. Clear? Here we have to find horse can graze the shaded area. Horse can graze the shaded area. This shaded area like a sector. So theta value is 90 degrees by 360 degrees into pi value is 3.14 into radius of the circle. Radius, rope length is the radius of the circle. Clear? Rope length is 5 meters. Radius of the circle, r square, 5 into 5, 9 ones, 9 fours. This value equal to 19.625 area, so square units. Here giving units in meters, so meter square. Clear? Next question. The increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 meters long instead of 5 meters. If rope length is increased to 10 meters. Suppose rope length is 10 meters. This is the rope length. Okay. Rope length increased to 10 meters. Okay, this is the 10 meters. So horse can graze up to 10 meters. This area, this total area. Okay, clear? This part is like a sector. So horse can graze. What is the area for sector? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Here theta is